Hello everyone, you can see this beautiful piece here by Scrapnik, and I am super excited to assemble this one. So I hope I will assemble it properly because there are some instruction behind, you can see. So I hope we will do good on this one, since it's very delicate. It's very pretty cute, and all these beautiful products are listed in craftycity.com, so please check it out. They are ready to ship since they arrived on time. So first of all, I will take this out. So you can see all these decorative pieces on this page, so I think we don't need it right now. So it is cosmetic thing, but main structure is right there. So we have two of these pieces, then two of these. So what we need to do, all these notches thingy, we have to stick them. So these four of them. This is our door. Oh, you can see it's already like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. You can see it's opening and closing door. You can see. Oh wow, this is so cute. See? Amazing. Alright, so this one we will do it later on. First we need to take care of this part. So we need to use glue all over here. So let's do it. So this time we need to glue inside, like inside all these things, and on the other side too. So we will take this thing inside. So let's do it. So what we will do, we'll just glue it. You can see, I hope you can see here all the outside notches, like that. And then quickly we have to do it inside too, like that. So always use strong glue for this project. Alright, and now you need to get one of this longer strip and just stick. It is like a puzzle, you know. That's it. And then excess glue, just run your finger or any paper here and clean that out. And hold it properly. If you want, you can just keep something behind, so it will stay nicely. Let's so it will not move. All right, and then instead of the other side, we will do top or bottom side. So make sure you are using stronger glue, okay? And now we will stick this part. Nice. Looking so good already. Very nice. It's very strong, very sturdy, and keep in mind they are not at all boards like those paper chipboards. These are wood, so It will be really good for your mini album if you want to keep it inside, or any strong things, heavy things will go well in there. And now let's see what we need to do. So these all four we have already stick. Then okay, so now these pieces are for bottom part, so we need to stick these pieces on top of each other like this, okay, and they goes on the bottom like this. So this is basically your armor's base. Very strong, nice 4 pieces they gave in this one. See, it's very beautiful and very sturdy product, and it's really good quality. Now what we will do, the glue this thing. So we have this frame right here, right? So what we need to do to prevent these doors to come in and go in and out, we have some hinges. Just like you remember, we had those telephone booth, or I think telephone booth. That booth had the opening door and we had to stick something behind these hinges. So that's what here also. Once you fix this one right here like that, okay, so you need, I think we need to put this upside down. So first put this upside down like this, and then let's see what they got us here. So for this part to secure, you can see these, I'll show you on the sides panels. You can see these. So we have 2 panels right here. So what we need to do, you need to just stick these panels like that, and you know, this part, see this part, very neatly designed. I'm just so impressed. Hats off to Dominica who designed these ones. It's just literally, it's very pretty and very neat product. So you can see these ones, it prevents to it is like a door stopper, you know what I mean. So this door will not come in at all. Amazing, right? So let's stick this part on top of this like that. Amazing. I'm still in awe, like she is the best engineer, I guess. So the thing is, you don't need to put the glue on this part, okay? Otherwise door will stick on there. So just avoid the glue from on that part particularly, and then stick properly. Alright. Now turn this and then do the same thing on the other side. Keep it for dry and then turn this thing upside down, and then we will take care of the other side. So hold it properly, then turn this thing, and now for this whole thing we have a big huge frame here. So just take each and every piece off from this frame now carefully. It is very easy, so you can just easily take all these pieces out. Basically you can take this whole frame out. Okay, good. So this panel comes out and we have this wonderful big huge border for our armor like that. So we need to stick this part and then we will decorate our cute little doors. So super cute, right? Make sure to clear excess glue right now. So just use any paper or anything and make sure you are just taking out excess glue quickly. Otherwise this door will not open. All right, super cute, right? My goodness, this is so pretty armor. So I think I have some glue on the corner. And you can see I'll show you how this door will open. So just open and clean all the glue on the corners everywhere, and then this will open like that. Oh my goodness, so cute. Look at this, very pretty, right? Look at the door, amazing. I'm so in love with this project already. And before we do all this decorative part, we'll get our box here. I believe it's dried nicely, and now we have to glue all over here. And then run the glue one line on inside too, like all the hinges. Okay, now just carefully put this on top. It will go nice and easy down, right? See, this is like a puzzle, it can go easily. If something's stuck inside, like if it's not going, you just need to put your hand inside and just push this part little bit up, so it will be closed properly. So before sticking this top part, you can even stick this bottom part first to make sure all is lined up. But since we used runny glue, we have some time to adjust. Even this part also I can feel it's moving, and I'm able to adjust all sides, and now they are flushing nicely like that. All right, now best part is decorate all these things. So I'm not decorating, I'm not sticking right now, since I'm going to use some colors and some ironing kind of thing I'm going to do, like iron effect I mean. like copper or patina effect, I'm thinking of this one. So before sticking this part on top, I'll take care of this and I'll be back with complete project. So I hope you got the idea how it assemble. This part is nothing, you can do it, but I wanted to show you this part. So I will show you how it will look. Just we will keep it like that. Let's see. Carefully take these out because they are delicate. And it goes on top of this, and now this part. So you can break sides, that's fine. So it will come out nice and easy. It will be like that. Then these are the door like key holder, you can see, small key. This is cute. And then this part, this part goes like that. Like this. How cute is it, right? Look at this armor. Amazing. So thank you so much for watching, and I'm sure you will buy it and you will enjoy creating a beautiful project using this one. And please check it out. I have few pieces left, so check the link below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.